'Cause I'm a palace man. Palace man.
I feel like I'm chosen. I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest, and today I'm going to go over what I think you should be grabbing this week, the top 5 items of the week, not just Supreme. I'm going everybody here, people.
You are a smelly pirate hooker.
So I'm going to be trying a little bit of a new format. I want to talk about more than just Supreme because, like, in the Discord, we talk about everything, and that's sort of what's on my mind today. So, yes, Supreme has some good stuff this week, and it will be on the list, but Palace is definitely bringing it this week with the Clavin Klein collaboration, and Nike's just dropping shit all over us, so I do want to talk about some shoes that are coming out as well. I just want this to become a place that lets you guys know what cool shit is coming out this week, what I think could potentially resell, and everything else to boot.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
With that said, I have some time constrictions today. I will be doing a live stream tonight to go over everything that I talk about in this video, so make sure that you pay attention to that. It'll probably be somewhere around 7:30 p.m. Pacific time.
The power of Christ compels you!
Alright, like I said, I don't have a ton of time today, so let's just jump right into what I think the top 5 items of the week are. So my number 5 item is going to be the Espresso set, dropping on the Supreme website this Thursday. With a retail of $48, you really can't beat that for a Supreme accessory. Just an FYI, this set's normally about $22 if it doesn't have Supreme stuff all over it, so kind of a basic set of espresso glasses. I don't really see a ton of resale in them. There should be some lunch money. Definitely local sales will be best on these. I just find it hard to believe someone would pay more than, $100 for these at the end of the day. And for the number 4 item, I am going to stick with the Supreme drop, and I'm going to go with this Rhino trunk. I really do have confidence that this will definitely flip for more than $400. I do think this item has the ability to be a huge profit down the line. This is definitely a great piece for a home, for a shop, for anything. And honestly, there is nothing better to store your Supreme bricks in than a Supreme trunk.
That'll do, pig. That'll do.
If it was cheaper, it'd be way higher on this list, but with a $400 price point, it adds a lot more risk to this, and most likely this is going to be a hold, so you're going to have to sit on that $400 as well. Alright, for the number 3 items of the week, I'm going over to the Nike Sneakers app. We're talking about these off-white blazers, people. They are definitely a unique and strange-looking shoe, but this being the first off-white Nike collaboration since Virgil's passing, I really do feel like these will have a lot of value. Plus, with a $140 price point, there is a ton of room for profit. I could easily see these going in the 300s, and personally the black pair looks way better than the white pair, so I would be going after those. Again, not my favorite looking shoe, but I think this is a great thing to grab as a quick flip investment type of a thing. And for my number 2 items of the week, I'm going with the Palace Clavin Klein collaboration. I think they did a really good job with this stuff. The advertisement that they made was amazing. All these pieces are super clean. I think that crew neck is really, really nice. And the hoodie as well, just really, really clean items. I think this whole collaboration is fire, and I'm going to try to pick up a couple of items if I can. If you were going for something for resale, I think the crew necks have potential, as well as the hoodies. Just take a look at some past Palace crew necks and hoodies and see how they do, because it is going to be a little bit different than the Supreme resale. Either way, at the end of the day, really cool collaboration, and you'll be happy to grab anything from it, I'm sure. But now, my number 1 item of the week, making his return, the Union Dunks are coming to sneakers. Don't make me have to come over to your house, open up the sneakers app, and press buy on these. Buy the damn Union Dunks. They're going to be super limited, but the prices on these are already bananas, so you don't need me to tell you to buy these stupid shoes this week. Just listen to Nike, man. So there you go. Those are my top 5 items of the week for everything going on. As far as the rest of the drop goes, I definitely can't get behind any of the Dickies stuff. It's really too expensive. Maybe the belt at $28 isn't that bad. Maybe that or the $48 camp cap in any of those colorways for a multi-card item would be good. And then one item that I think is just really interesting is this Ralph Steadman hooded sweatshirt. Ralph Steadman is the guy that did all the artwork for Hunter S. Thompson and all those books. So I've been a fan of this guy for quite some time.
Let's get down to brass tacks here. How much for the 8?
I also hear that there's a restock on Yeezys on Saturday, so these guys should be really profitable as well, so definitely pay attention to that. And I will be going over all this stuff in more depth on the live stream tonight, but if you need your Fauntleroy fix right now, then you should check out these videos right here.
Scared money don't make no money. Scared money don't make no money.